In this video, I just want to talk to you about the bundling activities you can do. So that's obviously using the straws and the rubber bands. And so we're doing this activity because you want the children, when they start dealing with early place value, is to understand that as soon as you get more than 9, so 10 of one place value column, that brings in that next place value column. And so that 10 of this column, so in this case, once we get 10 of the ones column, that makes 110. And so bundling is a really good way of representing that. So I guess the best way to start is just grab like a random handful of straws and you can say, well, how many straws are there? And so basically, instead of just counting them one at a time, an effective way they can show how many straws there are bundling them up. And so they might go, there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. As soon as they've got 10, bundle them up, etc., etc. So that makes that. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 7. 7 loose ones. All right, and then so how many have I represented there? 27, how do I know? 2 10s, trying to get them to say 10, 20, they can, but we really want them to say 2 10s, which is 20. And how many ones? Well, I can see 3, and 3 is 6, and 1 more is 7, so I've got 7 ones, 27. And you can use these number cards to get them to start making that symbolic representation. And so 2 10s, I can use this one obviously. 7 ones, 27. Then you can make changes to that number by rolling the dice. So I could say, okay, I've got 5 more, so I've got 27, 5 more. So I've got 5 straws, 2, 4, 5. Right, so I had 7, 3 more makes 10. Bundle them up. And I now have how many? Well, I've got 2 1s and I've got 3 10s, I've got 32. So again, it's just about using these materials to get that relationship. As soon as you get 10 of one column, it makes 1 of the next column. And hopefully if they get that really rock solid, that will then transfer onto when you bring the hundreds and the thousands columns in. Once you make a number or a quantity, a good way to check in would we say, what if I took 1 away from that? Or what's 1 less than this number? And hopefully they can tell you 31. Just check it by taking 1 away, 31, I've got 1, 1, and I've got 3 10s. What's 1 more than that? You can add another straw or get them to just visualize it in their head and then check. It could be what's 10 more than this number. And so again, they make up a bundle of 10, plonk it down there. How many more? 42. So rather than counting 32, 33, 34, 35, we get them to see that it's much more efficient just to plonk another 10 down. That if the 6 dice isn't enough, they could roll the 10-sided dice, which is the other one. And so you've got a bigger range of numbers that you can get. So it's a 4, add 4 to that.